The Sherpa 80 XL, delivered by ARCADIA in 2023, features a ultra-wide body of 7.13 meters with a length overall under 24 meters. With an impressive beam of 7 meters, the Sherpa 80 XL features an impressive aft lounging area, as well as a sunbathing area and an interior space that can be used for dining and fully openable, as well as air conditioned. The standout feature of the Sherpa 80 XL is the aft inside-outside dining area, equipped with glass sliding panels, as well as air conditioning. The aft deck is absolutely designed for openable and panoramic views, as you can see here in the open fashion plates, as well as the interior dining area that can fully open with sliding doors. Stepping out of the beautifully and futuristically designed mast, we have access to an impressive Flybridge exterior sitting area, fully equipped with an exterior galley. The exterior galley is fully equipped with a huge induction plate, a sink, as well as a cutting board. And on the starboard side, you have a fridge, as well as an ice maker and a wine cellar. ARCADIA beautifully combine composite materials with carbon fiber and light and anthracite colors, together with the use of solar panel and sustainable technology. In the wheelhouse, we're impressed with the beautiful integration in terms of systems of all the controls on board the yacht. She is equipped with twin Volvo Penta IPS 1350 engines, as well as zero-speed fin stabilizers, an aft hydraulic platform, as well as a 3 kilowatt solar panel system. On board, there are two twin crew cabins, one accessed directly from the wheelhouse and the staircase down, as well as another one from the aft deck. The forward lounge area can be enclosed from the wheelhouse for more privacy, and the lounge area also features two huge glass panels that can be lowered for natural ventilation at anchor during the summer. From the lounge area leading to the aft deck, we have the main deck galley, as well as a carefully designed day head, then leading to the guest cabins below deck. Below deck, she is fitted with two double guest cabins, as well as two twin cabins. We are here in the 25 square meter master cabin. Is absolutely flooded with light, with a direct access with a sliding door to the bathroom. The wide forward bow design means that the forward VIP cabin is very large with the ability to have sea views. With smart yachts was delivered by ARCADIA, established in 2008 in Naples and famous for building high quality, low quantity yachts.